What's up, guys?
You just
Oh, shit.
Oh my.
Mess this up. Okay, one more time.
No, this is too much.
It's a James family. It's a James family. We can conquer the world together. With God by our side forever. It's a James family. It's a James family. We can conquer the world together. With God by our side forever.
What's up, family? We're back with another cooking video. Woo! It's a James family.
And we're back.
Cooking something delicious.
Yes.
Tonight we got something, a mixture of Indian food and Mexican food mixed together. It's called a tandoori quesadilla.
We'll be right back.
Hold that thought. It's called, I'm gonna show you a picture right here. It's called
Tandoori chicken quesadillas, pineapple salsa.
Bam! What? That's a good video right there. Bam! That's what we're making, y'all.
Excuse my nail, it broke.
That's what we're making, and we decided to make a cooking video because we haven't done one like since the beginning. Since the beginning of time. And this time we try to do something, be more prepared this time. So we decided to prep everything first and then show y'all how we add everything up together so it won't prolong so long. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's start. Faith is gonna do the salsa.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us some suggestions and all that love. Show us some love. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay guys, here we go. Here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and start with pineapple. This is fresh cut pineapple. Just diced. All of this is diced. Add that into the bowl. Nice and juicy. And then we have some red onion diced. Add that. We like a lot of onion. And some red and orange bell peppers. Some jalapeno pepper. Some cilantro. We're going to use a lot of this. Not the whole thing, but it says you use half, but we're going to do a little bit more than half because we like it a lot. It gives a really, really fresh flavor. Okay, so I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. Is it show? 2 tablespoons of honey. We have some lime juice. We're just going to squeeze 2 limes cut in half.
Alright guys, just to let y'all know, we did wash our hands. We said our ABCs as we washed our hands. We just said it off, we did it off the camera. But I just want to let you guys know we're starting off with a chicken marinade, and we have like about 3 to 4 pounds of chicken breast, and we thinly sliced it. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add yogurt. This is about 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Plain yogurt. So, some chili powder. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And then we're going to do some cumin powder. And you want to do about 3 teaspoons. Alright, so we got that tandoori paste right here. And we're going to add through 2 tablespoons of this paste. And then we go off to some minced garlic. We want to do 4 tablespoons. To some ginger. You want to do 2 teaspoons of ginger. Then next we're going to do some coriander. Coriander. It's a McCormick version. And then we want to do 3 teaspoons. All right, and then next we're going to do some masala grana. However you say it. And we want to put 2 teaspoons in here also. Then add some salt and pepper. I usually go by less salt. And then you can use regular, oh, I forgot my salt, y'all. Oh, here it is. I use pink Himalayan salt, but you can use regular salt as you wish. All right. And then also I put my lemon. I have 2 lemons cut in halves. And that's everything. We're gonna mix it all up. All right, here we go.
Okay, so now we're making the spread for the quesadilla. So we have sweet mango chutney. Never had it ever in my life. And then we have just some cream cheese.
All right, all right.
We're gonna add the whole block of cream cheese. Get all that, all of that.
And that's just that on that.
You can't steal her word.
She said stream.
All right. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of. No, we're just gonna make it into like a paste. This cheese is so thick, but that's why it's a paste. That's the whole point, for it to be pasty. Okay.
Add a little more.
I know.
That's how the colors.
This smells strong. Smell it.
Ooh.
I know. Spicy?
No, it's tasty.
Okay, we can add some more.
It's a mango, mango.
So we added some more of the chutney. We wanted to change colors. We don't want it to just taste like straight cream cheese. Yeah. We're gonna change up the recipe a little bit because we always have to. We're gonna go ahead and add this mango habanero Cholula. And mix and mix. That made it better. That's good. That's good. That's better? I think that looks a little better. More like a spread. Okay.
Alright guys, now we're getting ready to cook the chicken. First we want to preheat the oven to medium. Pour some olive oil in here. We want to wait till it gets hot. Alright, so I'll wait till that gets heated. After you add your chicken in there, you want to continually to stir it all around. Alright guys, so you want to just keep on cooking the chicken halfway through, and then we're going to add our green bell peppers. Alright, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And then we add our jalapenos in there. Good old peppers. And then you add some chulo sauce. Or Cholula. that what it's called, babe? Cholula.
Cholula.
And then you want to keep that chicken all the way through. Keep on stirring it up. Alright, look at this food. Y'all, this is about to be so good. I'm so excited to eat this. Look, I'm dropping stuff, y'all. It's about to be good. Me and Faith always stay throwing down, y'all. If y'all follow us on Instagram or Facebook, y'all know what we be throwing down. Definitely. Faith's Instagram is made by Faith. Made, period, Faith, period, Faith. Oh shoot, I said it wrong, y'all.
You said made by Faith.
Oh, made, period, by, period, Faith. That's Faith's Instagram, and mine is Poppy_Chazo. I had that name since high school, y'all. A friend made that up for me. I do. I'm gonna change my name one day. Alright, y'all, and the chicken is cooked. Now we getting ready to go ahead and do the quesadillas. Alright, y'all, stay tuned.
Okay, now we have 2 wheat tortillas. These are gonna be Chaz's. So I'm gonna spray the pan before you turn on the gas. Don't turn on the stove, the gas, and then spray. But then burn your whole house down. So I'm just gonna spray. Coat the bottom of it. Turn on your heat. Turn it on about, and I have it on like 2.5, in between 2 and 3. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this first. So on here we have that mango. What is it called, babe? Well, that mango spread we did with the mango sauce and cream cheese. So I'm just gonna add cheese first, right? Put this tortilla on the skillet. Actually, I'm gonna turn it to 3. Turn that heat up. Yeah, from here I do. We're gonna add some mild cheese. We have mild and we have Mexican. So we're gonna put everything on one side. Okay. So we have cheese on one side. Gonna put the chicken and peppers on one side. Make sure spread out evenly so you don't have any bites where there's nothing there. I hate that. Actually, I'm gonna put some cheese on this side so that it can like melt together, or put it on top. There we go. I think that'll be good. Okay. Just cook it until you get it as brown as you like it. Yeah. That's what I'm supposed to eat. Chaz likes his crunchy, so we're just gonna keep flipping it. And that's that. Okay, so now we're going to add our finishing touches after we seared the tortillas and let the cheese melt and stuff. So we're just going to cut these right down the middle. We have light sour cream. We like a lot of sour cream, so I'm just throw it on. I forgot it's still warm, so it might slide down a little bit. We have yummy salsa that we put in the refrigerator just to cool it off a little bit. So I got a different spoon because it's a lot of juices that we have at the bottom. Y'all get the gist. That's definitely ugly, but it's gonna be good. That is all.
Show me inside.
Inside of what? Okay, he wanna show y'all the inside. Like I said, I didn't put too much cheese in his because he's a little lactose, so we already know what happens with people that are lactose. Okay. Alright, so he wants to take a bite on camera.
Alright, y'all, we finished. She fixed it up. Look at that.
Well, anyway.
Well, y'all get the gist of it. I wish I could tell y'all, but
He probably just sprayed it. Spray it out a little bit.
that's good.
Feels good.
Oh yeah. You
I'm
like?
just playing. I'll take it.
That's good. That's a quesadilla for real. Ooh, that's good.
The wheat ones actually are good.
I'm sure they probably taste just like the. But that's the end
Well,
of
that's
this
it.
video, y'all.
I'm ready to eat.
Yes. Like, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We out of here because it's time to eat.
So that's how you make a tandoori chicken quesadilla pineapple salsa. Add your friend, that
Good night.
all that.
Have a good day. Good morning, whatever time you're watching this.
Peace.
All right.
I am her husband.
I am his wife, and together we will conquer life. Grace is our daughter, she's our little blessing.
She doesn't know right now, but we're confessing.
Nothing but greatness over our lives.
We stay positive with each other's drives.
To be successful no matter what it takes. All negativity stop like brand new brakes.